Hello everybody. Today's video is about instant karma. Enjoy watching it. The video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Your comments and criticisms are, of course, always welcomed. Speeder in the Jeep Renegade doesn't see the police cruiser. He tried to slow down, but it was too late. Instantly gets pulled over. The driver decided to avoid traffic on the oncoming lane, but did not notice the police car, for which he immediately paid the price.
Ну я знаю. И там еще правильно так.
Another fan of speeding has found the policeman. Note the fact that there is already a police car at the traffic light, and still found a driver who took a right on red right in front of them and even cutting off the truck at the intersection. A speeding pickup truck driver is on your screen. I think you know what comes next. Pay attention to the road signs. The car on the left can only go left. He drives straight ahead and cuts off the author, for which he is almost immediately punished. Happened a month ago on my dad's commute. The Sierra was speeding, not on cam for some reason, and the trooper got him. The driver of the new Volkswagen decided to tailgate the truck, and paid for it when the traffic light turned red.
Что ты творишь?
A common thing that happens in the state is anywhere from 1 to 5 people squeeze through a turning lane light when it is turning or has turned red. Since they tend to be shorter lights, people always do this. 2 cars ran this light, and the cop that just sat there next to my dad pulled over the last car. Note on the right side of the screen, the driver of the Toyota decided to turn left from the wrong lane, and he did not like the fact that the author did not let him pass. Then he decided to teach him a lesson, but he attacked the wrong person. Cruising home one night, someone just couldn't stay behind me at around the speed limit.
Haha, you idiot! Couldn't wait. Couldn't wait.
The driver of the Volkswagen bypassed the traffic and wanted to cut into the lane in which the author was driving. What resulted from this? See further. I was just about to tell the driver their lights were off at the right light, but the car decided to keep going through the red light. It's crazy the amount of people that drive with no lights. I knew OPP were in traffic behind. Don't forget that comments and likes are very important for the development of this channel. Thanks for watching, and good luck to you.